Hello everyone, what's up mananap? Welcome mga kakaudkonyo. So for today, I am going to discuss to you uh, about regular expression. So when we talk about regular expression or regex, it's actually a pattern matching. So this is used to perform pattern matching of a string expression against a pattern in a MySQL statement. The pattern, whereas a pattern is supplied as an argument. So let's say for an instance, we are going to um, display or project a record based on our table that starts with a certain value in the, let's say, uh, all pets with the name starts with uh, an or anjon or andro, something like that. So we can do that instead of using like statement. So let's say for an instance, we have here select from tbl underscore pet where pet name regex. Okay, so which is stands for regular expressions. So regex. um, So we use the this power something like operator to or this conjunction operator to display like for our names to display names that start with, let's say, an, something like that. So to do that, you have here our name that starts with Angelo. So among all, I mean, wala na include si Anjon because it's actually with na siya trim, no? So you can actually use that one for like trim. We can trim our pet name. So this time it's actually giving you two values now because we actually tried to trim the pet name. So regardless of na siya white spaces or special characters in the name, so it's still displayed as another value or a value with a pet with that starts with an. Okay, so that's some of the things we can do for regex. The beginning, we use that conjunction operator to match the beginning of any character. So now let's say for an instance, if we would like to display all the names of our pet, let's say ending with DA. Okay, so let's look for pet names that ends with DA. So we can use the uh, dollar sign for that. So we have here, let's say DA with dollar sign. Let's see if there is. So we have DA, we have one pet. So let's have AS. We don't have any AS that ends with AS. Let's look for RA, Sandara. So expected, we have Sandara. So that's for if we want to display the name or the records of our pets with name ends with SA or AS or RA. Okay, what about if we are going to, let's say, in among all the records of that particular fields, we are going to look for the records among in that field containing a certain parang string. Let's say, let's look for records here. We have let's have na lang for name. So let's say we have anything that has saan pa delimita to let's say we have tiv, anything that has tive, something like tive in our pattern or in our pet status, I guess. So to do that, so you have here or act na lang, act. So pet status So we'll have here pet status, regex, okay, and then let's say we have act, and then a question operator. So this time it's going to give us value with active, anything that has active in it. Okay, so act, I mean ACT rather. So that's it. And then let's have for, let's see, LOS. So we have lost. So you can have LO or OS. Okay, that is used for doing a pattern that's containing with OS or containing with something that has O or S, no? Yeah, tama ba? Yeah, OS. Okay, what happened to borrowed? When is it included? OST, okay, because it has, let's say, OR. Mhm. So anything that has O, OR, or OST, so lost. So I don't know what happens, what seems to happen, why borrowed is included, but uh, yeah, pet status with OS. So supposed to be dapat pet status lang. Anyway, if it serves me right, then I stand corrected. So supposed to be dapat wala appeal ang borrowed. But it seems like it is actually reading O here. No, the-appeal niya ang O. Anything na naa siya'y O, either bahala siyang walay appeal ang S. So that's, I guess, what it is trying to imply. So you can also do certain like patterns for let's say for pet status you have A, and let's say we have O and S and then T, something like that. So yeah, OST. So na IO, okay, ang L, lost na I-O, na I-S, and I-T. Something like, as long as there is a pattern under O and S, okay? So under O and S, so we have lost and we have the disease, okay? We use this pattern matching, okay? That pipe operator. So what else? And there's more actually for regex, and I'm not going to discuss them one by one, but these are some of the things that you can do for, you can work around with regex or regular expression in MySQL. So again, you can define whatever for your, I mean, pwede ka mag-define of any pattern sa imuhang MySQL statements. Okay, using regular expression. That is something na wala kay like operator. So I guess that would be all. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day ahead, and I love you all. Bye bye.